Hello, my name is Anna Hippmann and I'm an instructor in the School of Environmental Science here at SFU. If you are following the news at all, you will have noticed an increase in reports related to plastic, whether it's found in the Arctic, it's found in the deepest trenches of the ocean, it's killing our birds. Plastic is found everywhere. However, what we need is a real kind of plastic literacy. And that is where this course comes into play. So after the class, you will leave with a foundational understanding of various critical aspects related to plastic pollution in the ocean. To achieve this, the course is divided into 4 main parts. We will cover the ocean, plastics, methodologies, how to assess plastic pollution, and then solutions. So in oceans, we will cover really the multifaceted glory of the ocean. That means we will look into biological, chemical, and physical oceanography. Then we will cover plastics, the chemistry, production, distribution. I already mentioned the methodologies to assess plastic pollution because that is really not as trivial as you might think. We will hopefully end on a high note discovering solutions on many levels, be it political, so governmental, economical, societal, and of course on the individual level. So if you're interested or if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out either to myself or to our lovely advisors in the School of Environmental Science. And otherwise, hope to see you in class. Bye.